Now we are in question number 6a. This is from algebra. Let's simplify this, right? So how do we simplify first? We have a radical sign given, right? So convert that radical sign into the smallest form. How can we do that? We can divide that 98 by 2 first. So this could be 49 times 2 is 98. 7 times 7 is a 49. Similarly, you can do this for 32, which is nothing more than 216 times 2, 8, 4, 2. Similarly, you can do this for 72, which is 2 times 3 is 6, right? And 1 is left over here, 12 is 1 and 2 is 12, so 6. Right? Similarly, 18s, you already know that. I don't have to explain this, how to do this. So this one is the simplification of those radicals, right? So now we can rewrite this. You can say now, we can rewrite this 98 means 2 times 7 times 7, which means I can write down 2 times 7 squared. Square means there are 2 7s, right? 2 7s, so there are 2 7s. Minus 8. Look at here, there are 2 2, 2 2 and 2, right? 2 squared times 2 squared times 2. From these two I can write 1, these two I can write 1. And for the last one, for the 72, we can write down from these two 2 squared, 3 squared times 2. You see that? 2 times 2, 2 squared times 2 times 3 squared. Since this square and square root cancel out, so I can take out that 7 all the way to the out. 2 times 7, square root of 2. Look at here. Square and square root cancel out, so we can take out the 7 outside of the root. Minus 8 times this 2 also comes out. Again, this 2 also comes out. So square root of 2 plus same notion here. 2 and 3 comes out here. 2 times 3 square root of 2. When I take out 2 and 3 outside of the square root, because they cancel out. So now multiply this. 14 is square root of 2 minus this would be 32 square root of 2, because 8 times 2 is 16 times 2 32, plus 3 times 2 is 6 times 3 is 18 is square root of 2. Now it is in the simplest form, right? Every radicals are in the simplest form. Now you can just simplify, since this is positive, this is positive, positive 14 and positive 18 is 32 square root of 2 minus 32 square root of 2. So they cancel out. This is the answer. What I did here, since this is a radicals, you have to express them into the simplest form as much as possible. So I try to express into the simplest form. So this would be 2 times 7 squared. For 32, I can write down from here 2 squared, 2 squared and 2. For 72, I can write down 2 squared, 3 squared and 2. By taking the 7 out here, 2 and 2 out here, 2 and 3 out here. By simplifying this, I got 2 times 7, 14, 8 times 2 times 2 is 32, 3 times 2 times 3 is 18, square root of 2. Now, look at here, we have a positive 14 and positive 18, square root of 2. I can sum them up. When I adding them, 14 plus 18 is 32, and this 32 is a 32. They are the same thing. Positive and negative, so they can cancel out, which is equals to 0. That is your answer. Thank you.